from Suji Cakes. In this episode, we will be making our all-time favorite cream cheese frosting. It's thick, it's creamy, and it's delicious. So let me show you how easy it is to make this cream cheese frosting. So stay tuned.
Okay, first you want to start off by sifting the icing sugar first. This to make sure that there won't be any lump in your sugar. Next, we're gonna add in cream cheese and just mix it on a low speed. As you can see, the cream cheese now has gone soft. Now it's time to add in butter and just keep on mixing on a medium speed. Don't forget to scrape the side of the bowl so that everything is mixed thoroughly. So that is the texture that we're going for. However, there are still lumps, so we need to still keep mixing. Next, let's add in the icing sugar and remember to put in bit by bit and mix it on a low speed.
If you can't say anything real nice, it's better not to talk at all, is my advice.
Let's add in some vanilla and some salt.
When I'm gone, oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on, please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on.
So this is the final texture that we want to achieve for our cream cheese frosting. Basically, you can start frosting your cakes or your cupcakes right now with this delicious frosting. Don't forget to try this at home.